students, I hope all are keeping fine. In this video, I am going to explain chapter 11 perimeter and area. First of all, I will explain you about perimeter. Definition of perimeter is the distance around a closed figure or outer boundary of a closed figure is known as the perimeter of the figure. What does it mean? It means perimeter equals to sum of the lengths of all sides of a closed plane figure. In short, to find perimeter, we will add lengths of all sides of a given figure. Today, we will learn to find perimeter of the polygons, triangle, square and rectangle by using formulas. Perimeter of triangle. One triangle is given. The length of these triangles are A, B and C. To find perimeter of this given triangle, we will add all these three sides. That means the perimeter of a triangle is A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. Then next is square. We know that in square all the sides are equal. So to find perimeter of square, we will add all these four sides. So perimeter of square will be side plus side plus side plus side. So how many times side? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 into side. So the formula to find out perimeter of square is 4 into side. Next, perimeter of rectangle. We know that in rectangle, opposite sides are equal. The longer sides we will take as length and the shorter sides we will take as breadth. So to find perimeter of rectangle, we will add all the four sides of rectangle and they are L plus B plus L plus B. So how many times L? 2 times L plus 2 times breadth. So 2 I will take as common, L plus B. So the formula to find perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Unit of perimeter. Unit is the same as the unit of length. For example, if the length is given in meter, then the unit of perimeter will be meter only. And if the length is given in centimeter, then the unit of perimeter will be centimeter. Exercise 11A. Question A. Madhapur village has many fields. Find out the perimeter of the fields shown here. First question is, the field is given in rectangle shape. To find perimeter of rectangle, we have formula 2 into length plus breadth. Here the length is given 40 meter and breadth is given 20 meter. So 2 into 40 plus 20. So 2 into 40 plus 20 will be 60. 6 2s are 12 and this 0. The unit of this perimeter, lengths are given in meter. So the unit of perimeter will be meter. Question 3. Here the shape of the field is square. To find perimeter of square, the formula is 4 into side. Here my side is 60 meter. So 6 4s are 24. Insert this 0. What about unit? The length is given in meter. So the unit of perimeter will be meter. Question 6. Question 6. Can you tell me the shape of this polygon? Is it square? No. Is it rectangle? No. Is it triangle? No. So, to find out perimeter, what I will do? I will add the length of all the sides given here. That means the perimeter of this shape will be 3 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 10 and plus 8. On adding this number, we will get 39. Unit, the unit of this lengths are meter. So the unit of this perimeter will be meter. So our answer is 39 meter. In the same way, you can do the remaining questions. Question B. Find the perimeter of a rectangle whose sides are. Here, I want to find out perimeter of rectangle. So, perimeter of rectangle, the formula is 2 into length plus breadth. Here, my length is 5 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. So, 2 into 5 plus 3. 2 into 5 plus 3 is 8. 2 8s are 16. What about the unit? Here, the lengths are given in centimeter. So, the unit will be centimeter. Fifth one is 4 centimeter and 9 millimeter. Children, here we can see that the units are different. So, first step, we will make the units same. We know that 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. So, 4 centimeter equals to 40 millimeter. So, now my length is 40 millimeter and breadth is 9 millimeter. To find perimeter of rectangle, the formula is 2 into length plus breadth. So, 2 into 40 plus 9. So, 2 into 40 plus 9, 49. Now, multiply 49 by 2. 9 2s are 8, 1 carry over. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So, 98. What about unit? Here the lengths are given in millimeter. So, the unit will be millimeter. Question C. Find the perimeter of the square whose side is. Here, we want to find out perimeter of square. First question is 5 centimeter. So, the formula to find perimeter of square is 4 into side. So, this is 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. What about the unit? The length is given, the side is given in centimeter. So, the unit will be centimeter. Fifth one is 55 millimeter. I want to find out perimeter of square. So, the formula is 4 into side. My side is given 4 into 55. So, this is 55 into 4. 4 5s are 20. 2 will be carry over. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 2, 22. So, this is 220 and my unit is millimeter. Question D. Find the perimeter of the triangle whose sides are. First one is 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 7 centimeter. Perimeter means sum of all sides. So, here we will add the sides 4 plus 5 plus 7. On adding these numbers, we will get 16. Here, the lengths are given in centimeter. So, the unit will be centimeter. Fourth one is 3 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter and 5 centimeter. 3 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. So, perimeter means sum of all sides. That means 3 plus 4.5 plus 5. Children, here one number 4.5 is given in decimal and the rest two numbers 3 and 5 are not given in decimal. So, we will convert them into decimal. So, 3 can be written as 3.0 and 5 can be written as 5.0. Now, add these numbers. This will be 5, 4 plus 3, 8, 8, 8 plus 5, 4 plus 3 will be 7, 7 plus 5 will be 12. So, my answer will be 12.5, 12.5. And what about the unit? Here, the lengths are given in centimeter. So, unit will be centimeter. Question E. Find the perimeter of these shapes. Question number 2. Here I am going to explain question 2 and 3. Question number 2 is 4-point triangle is given. So, we know that to find the perimeter of triangle, we have to add the sides of this triangle. That means 4.5 plus 4.5 plus 4.5. Now 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15. 5 will be down, 1 will be carry over. And this 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So 13.5 centimeter is the perimeter for this triangle. Now question 3. Question number 3. To find out perimeter of this shape, I want to add all the sides of this given polygon. So we can see that here this horizontal line is 2 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, and this is 2 centimeter. That means the length of these 4 horizontal lines are 8 centimeter. Now the smallest standing line, these vertical lines are given, and the length of this standing vertical lines are 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and 1 centimeter. So the length of these 4 standing lines, vertical lines, are 4 centimeter. Now to find out length of this side, what I will do? I will extend this standing line till here. So my dear children, we can see that this length is equals to this length. That means this length will be 2 centimeter. Now in the same way, extend this line till here. So this part is again of 2 centimeter. Again extend this standing line till this horizontal line. So again this part is 2 centimeter and this part is 2 centimeter. So 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8 centimeter. So the length of this side is plus 8 centimeter. Then what about this? What about the length of this side? To find length of this side, I will extend this horizontal line till here. So the length of this standing line is 1 centimeter. In the same way, if I extend this line till here, the length of this standing line will be 1 centimeter. Again extend this, so the length of this part will be again 1 centimeter and this part is 1 centimeter. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. How many times? 4 times. So plus 4. So what will be the answer? 8 plus 4, 12, and again 8 plus 4, 12. So the perimeter of this shape will be 24 centimeter. So in short, perimeter means sum of all the sides of the given figure. My dear children, in the same way you can do the remaining questions. Question F is cancelled. No need to do this question. Area. Area is the region enclosed within the boundary of a closed figure. What does it mean? It means area is the space inside a shape. My dear children, don't get confused between perimeter and area. Here are the some differences between perimeter and area. Perimeter. Perimeter means the space around a shape. That means what? If I want to find out perimeter of this square, I will go through the boundary of this square. That means what? If I want to find out perimeter of this square, I will take the space around this square. If I want to find out perimeter of rectangle, I will go through the boundary of this rectangle. That means I will take the space around rectangle. Area. The space inside a shape. That means if I want to find out area of this square, I will take the space inside this square. That means this shaded portion. If I want to find out area of this rectangle, I will take the area inside this rectangle. Okay, that means for perimeter we will go through the boundary. Okay, and to find out, these are the boundaries. When we will find the perimeter, we will make use of these boundaries, and when we will find the area, we will make use of the area inside the given shape. To find perimeter, we are using addition. To find area, we are using multiplication. To find perimeter of the square, the formula is 4 into side. How this formula came? The perimeter of square, that means we will take the addition of this side. Side plus side plus side plus side. 4 times side. So square, the perimeter of square will be 4 into side. To find out area of square, we are using multiplication. That means we will take multiplication of this side into side. Okay. To find out perimeter of rectangle, we will add all its length. That is length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. So 2 times length and 2 times breadth. That means perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 into length plus breadth. This I have explained you. Now to find out, this also I have explained. To find out area of rectangle, we are using multiplication. So to find the area of rectangle, for that I will take the multiplication of length into breadth. So the formula to find out area of rectangle will be length into breadth. Perimeter is denoted by capital P and area is denoted by capital A. Unit is the same as the unit of length. For example, if the length is given in meter, then the unit of the perimeter will be meter only, and if the unit of length is centimeter, then the unit of perimeter will be centimeter. In area, the unit is square unit of length. That means if length is given in meter, then the unit of area will be square meter. And if the length is centimeter, then the unit of area will be square centimeter. Exercise 11B. Question A. Find the area of the following squares. Here we are going to find area of square. And the formula to find area of square will be side into side. Side into side. First question is 6 centimeter. Here the side is given 6 centimeter. So the area will be side into side. So 6 into 6, 6 6 are 36, and the length is given in centimeter. So unit will be square centimeter. Second one is 12 centimeter. Okay, so what is the formula? Side into side. That means to find area, I will multiply 12 into 12. So 12 into 12, it is 144. And what about the unit? Here the length is given in centimeter. So the unit will be square centimeter. In the same way, this both question you can do as homework. Okay. Now question number B. Find the area of the following rectangles. Here we are going to find the area of rectangle. The formula is length into breadth. First one is 5 centimeter into 2 centimeter. So length, area will be length into breadth. My length is given 5, breadth is given 2, 5 2s are 10. Here the lengths are given in centimeter. So unit will be square centimeter. Third one is 15 centimeter, 10 centimeter. Formula is length into breadth, as we are finding the area of rectangle. Length is 15 and breadth is 10. So this is 150. The lengths are given in centimeter, so unit will be square centimeter. This second is homework and fourth one is homework. I hope the concept of area and perimeter is clear. Thank you.